So can you share your Upwork profile link via the mobile app? Well, actually you cannot, but you can do it on the web version of Upwork, and I'll show you how to do that now, so you don't leave the video disappointed. So what you need to do is close out of any Upwork app, then open up any web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome on my iPhone. From here, we can then go to the Upwork website, so go to upwork.com. Then you might need to re-log in, so go to the three lines in the top left-hand corner, then go ahead and click login at the bottom. From here, you can log into your Upwork account, and what we can do now is find our profile. So if we go to the three lines in the top left-hand corner, you can then click on your profile. And then once you've clicked this drop-down box, you'll then see your profile. So go ahead and click on that. So now here we are on my profile. What I'm going to do is click on the URL section. And here you can see what we can do is we can go ahead and hold down, then click copy. And we've actually then copied the URL of my Upwork profile. And we can go ahead and share this with whoever needs it. So I hope that quick video did help you out.